Yeah, it's pretty wet and soggy out there today throughout the entire nation, kicking off a very active weather cycle which will last through the evening of the 26th. We have a lot to throw at you today as we head into Christmas. This is Soracast for November 24th, 2025. And I do hope you're staying dry on a very gray and rainy day. Let's get to what's going on with our weather across the nation. It does feel chilly outside, although that's probably because of the rain and the humidity. The real fact is that many places are running just a bit above normal for this time of year. Temperatures across the nation as of 12 p.m. are 6 degrees in Sapporo, 9.6 in Nagano, 7 in Yokohama, which is actually kind of close to normal, 12 in Nagoya, 12.6 in Osaka, which is higher than normal, 12 in Tottori, which is way higher than normal, and 18.9 in Kagoshima. Way above, for the most part, what we would expect as we're heading into the end of the year. So, what's making our weather at the moment over Japan? Well, let's take a look at the mechanics. We have two lows that are driving what we're seeing today. One one low is up north over Sakhalin Island in Russia, and the other is sitting over southern Kyushu. Together with another high sitting off the Pacific coast of the country, these systems are bringing up a lot of tropical air. This air, of course, it does cool as it moves north, but it is warming a lot of Japan to the temperatures, the above average temperatures that we are seeing for today. Just take a look at the 1500-meter charts as of noon today, and you'll know what I mean. We're seeing a strong alley of south wind moving north, and that's the warm air that I was telling you about. That warm air is also pushing back the 0C line. That is the freezing line where temperatures are at 0 degrees Celsius at 1500-meter altitudes. You guys know I love this map, and it confirms what we are already seeing out there. Wet skies, and for the most part, above normal temperatures on the ground. As of 1 p.m. today, rain was falling over much of the nation, and it will stay that way throughout the entire day. Overnight, however, the low over Kyushu will move up to central Japan, and it will start to play the dominant role in our weatherscape for the next 48 hours. Going into the 25th, going into tomorrow here, much of the rain will abate in Japan as that primary rain band moves offshore. But due to the circulation of this low, another wave of rain will be coming in for areas of Japan north of a line from Kobe to Tottori on up to Aomori. Temperatures will begin to fall, though, from the evening of the 25th as that low pressure begins to move offshore. Winds will shift from the north and the west, starting first in Kyushu, where the leading edge of a new cold wave will begin to take over the nation. Winds also will begin to pick up as the thermometer goes down. Thursday evening, we're going to see winds of about 15 kilometers or so in Gifu, while much of western Honshu will see 20-25 kilometer-an-hour winds. Boy, oh boy, but Friday is going to be the jackpot day for wild weather, especially over the Japan Alps and toward the Sea of Japan. By daybreak on the 26th, temperatures will be back down to around normal across Japan, while gale force winds lash the Sea of Japan coast. Another band of rain and snow will move in, hitting the west coast of the nation from Matsue in Shimane Prefecture on up to Hokkaido. 24-hour snowfall totals for Friday run from 2 to 3 centimeters in western Yamaguchi Prefecture, all the way up to about 20 centimeters in Kanazawa and on up to 55 centimeters in the mountains of Nagano. I have to tell you, though, and I'm sorry to say this, but as powerful as this storm is, the snow won't make it over the mountains, and there will be no white stuff anywhere on the Pacific coast. That means for those of us in Kanto, no snow. Sorry about that. Hokkaido, however, will see snowfalls of between 3 to 15 centimeters with heavier accumulations between the Sapporo and Hakodate areas. Things do begin to settle down on Saturday, however, as that low moves offshore and we begin to be under the influence of high pressure again. Some scattered snow and rain showers may remain falling along the Sea of Japan coast, Tohoku and Hokkaido, but the Pacific coast will remain cloudy but dry. And that is your Christmas Eve Soracast for December 24th, 2025. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a fantastic holiday season coming up. And hey, if you want to see more Japan based weather and science content, you just go on and doink that like and subscribe button. We would love to have you along for the ride, and it would certainly do my heart good. Okay, you guys have a good one. Take care.